I am Mitanaya and today is a Tuesday and the date is the 16th November and I will tell about Puja vacation. Means how I enjoy during this vacation. Yesterday I told about summer vacation, so today I will tell about Puja vacation. How I enjoy with everyone during this vacation. I am telling about these things. So I am starting now. This puja vacation is really very well time in my life, and and I enjoy a lot with my family members. And puja vacation means we got vacation for Kali, Lord Kali Puja, Lord Durga Puja. So that's why. And this puja, this Kali Puja or Durga Puja is big puja to Bangali, means most of the people. mm, everybody enjoy during this puja, and it's our big puja, so that's why most of the people, means everybody wait for this puja, and everybody enjoy a lot, and everybody need vacation during this time. um, and as usual, means everywhere, in job workplaces, everywhere everybody get off during this time, get vacation, and I got vacation for 1 month during this puja. 1 month means uh, according Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Bhai Dooj, everything happen in same time. So that's why every vacation means we got vacation of these things together. uh, and Bhai Dooj is also really very big festival to us, especially to brother and sister. I enjoy a lot during this day. And I got vacation. Sorry, yes, when I used to read in school, then I got vacation of puja from Panchami. Sorry, Shoshti, from Shoshti. Mm, after Shoshti we got off. Our vacation started before Shoshti. We had to go to the school. We had to go to the school, and we also, and before Shoshti means Panchami. Panchami, Prathama, Ditya, Panchami, everywhere, means most of the places this Durga Puja start from Panchami. And when I and every Panchami I used to go to the school. Means we did not get full school, half school, half day. We got half day of Panchami, and from this Panchami we got our vacation started. And when our school reopened, then we went to the school for giving exam, final exam. It can class 9, class 10. When I did it in class 10, then I gave test. Otherwise I gave final exam of class 9, class 10, sorry, class 8, class 9. During November month, our teachers gave us routine, exam routine, final exam routine. So during this puja I enjoyed a lot, and I also had some tension about my exam. mm, During summer vacation I during some after summer vacation, we gave first summative, second summative exam, it's okay. But this final exam means we really stayed, sometimes we stayed very nervous, means we stayed happy also, but somehow we also feel tension, we feel nervousness. And one nervousness always worked on us, means inside us, for this exam. And during this puja we did not sit, means we did not do any study. We just enjoyed with our friends, family members, everyone. And one pandal, means one pandal also happen in my school, inside my school. It's not worship of our school, means this puja happen, means this puja happen in the locality of my school, means they did pandal inside my school. And this pandal at first. And sometime some I told that every year means every year I used to go to the school during Panchami, means it was last day of our school, before a vacation, some puja vacation. So when I went to the school, sometime when we came back at home, then we went lots of places for watching, for seeing puja, means on the way there is lots of places where this Durga Puja happen. So that's why when we came back at home from school during during Panchami, in the day of Panchami, then we can see some worship also, means and I when I was child, means when I did it in class 8 or class 7, then my mother went to the school for taking me at home, means I came back at home with my mother, and I also went to the school with my mother when I did it in class 9 10. After reading class 9 10, when I did it in class 11, then I used to go to the school alone and came back at home, is no, alone, not alone. I've used to go to the school with my one friends and came back at home with my friends also. um, so when my mother uh, uh, when I came back at home with my mother, then my mother also bring me, means we had a group of friend, and my mother also had group, guardian group, which called guardian group. So everybody, we some friends, some guardians, everybody, we went some places also, during come back home. On the way we could see lots of god also, lots of Durga. And and uh, and this Durga Puja, we took lots of preparation for this puja. At first we started shopping, and sometime it also happened when I used to go to the school, I did not get proper time for going to the shopping with my mother. mm, and and then I just and sometime when I used to go to the school, then I completed my shopping during this day Panchami day, means during this day, every time, means every year we got half day, means we got half class in school during this day. So that's why during this day I also completed my all shopping. And um, and my mother bring me to the market for doing shopping. Sometimes some friends also went with us, means used to go with us. Otherwise sometime I went my mother alone. And I really stayed very excited for doing shopping. Most of the time I did not get time, so that's why it was the time when I could complete my all shoppings, because I had school, I had tuition class. So that's why my mother did not get time. And my mother every time, means puja shopping, during this puja shopping, my mother always brought me with her, because she know that I like it. So that's why, and then she also like to take me. um, and after that, after doing shopping, I came back at home, and this puja, means Durga Puja, I spent very well. And I don't go any relatives house during this puja. I like to stay at my home, especially in Kolkata, means no, Kolkata means I like to stay in my home. I like to spend time with my family members, with my friends. But I could not spend so much time during this puja with my friends, because um, I did not go outside with my friends. But this this year it was the first time when I could go with my friends outside. um, and my mother gave permission at last, means everybody gave permission, and it was the first year when I went. So I enjoyed lot this year. Otherwise I went lots of places with my parents, especially my father. My father take me, my father took me everywhere, well places. Um, like Shialda. Shialda is a really very well place where you can see lots of god, lots of sculpture of Durga god, and there is lots of famous club, famous authority who organized very well this puja, and they did this puja on theme, based on a theme, and I also like to see the theme, and it's really very good. Most of the club organized this puja depend on a theme, especially the Shialda. Every year I liked to go to the Shialda with my father, and my father took me there. And from Shoptami, especially from Shoptami, I started to see God. Uh, but sometime I stayed at home. I spent time with my family members to stay at home. My father don't like so much crowd, so that's why he like to go empty place, means peacefully, means most of the time I go to the outside, means I go to watch this puja. uh, I go to watch this puja to at noon, at noon. And my father don't like to travel, so much travel, so that's why um, I went lots of places. And this Durga Puja don't happen in my locality, so that's why sometime I feel bored. Some relatives, sometimes when any relatives come in my home, then I don't feel so much bored. And this Durga Puja happen in lots of places in here lots of places, and everybody, most of the people organize this puja. So that's why I don't feel so much bored. But when I feel bored, then I went some nearby places with my mother, with my father. uh, but this year I could go with my friends once time, and I really feel very happy. And it's a well time, it was a well time in my life. And then and after that, uh, but this Durga Puja, this Kali Puja, I enjoyed lot during this Kali Puja, because this Kali Puja happen in my locality. I can enjoy, means I can enjoy with my friends, lots of friends. This Kali Puja, everybody spend Durga Puja with their friends, family members, but I can very happily can celebrate this Kali Puja, because this puja happen in my locality. So that's why I don't need to go any places. I can stay in my locality, and I can stay, so I can have fun with my friends, with my neighbors also. And recently Kali Puja happened in my locality, and this day I enjoyed a lot. And especially this puja happened at night, and whole night, no, I did not wake up, I did not awake whole night. I This puja happened, means I awake till 12 p.m, 1 p.m. um, this this uh, this this year I enjoyed a lot with my friends, and especially sometime at night. And I also like to see every places at night. I have some friend in my locality, and we went outside, means out of our locality at night. It was 11 p.m. 11 p.m. I went outside with my, means little far from my locality, means it was empty road, anywhere means there had no vehicles, there had no people. I and my two friends was wandering around the road, means we were in nearby locality, but we went some far place from our locality, and everywhere this puja was happening. And the road, everybody decorate road to everywhere road with lights. And actually it's a day of it's a festival of light. So that's why everywhere, mm, lots of people decorate their home with lights. And I really can enjoy a lot with them. And this day is really very well day in my life. And after Kali Puja, Bhai Dooj come, and I also I enjoy a lot during this Bhai Dooj with my brothers. I have two brother, one my cousin's brother and one my own brother. And I offer, means I spent this day with my these two brother. And I also have a younger sister, elder sister also. And this year I also enjoyed a lot. And I have one brother, and he cannot stay present every year because he he stay outside of Kolkata, means he stay outside for job purpose. So that's why every year I cannot spend this day with him. But when he stay present, then we enjoyed a lot. During this pandemic situation 2020, um, I could spend this day with my all sisters, all brothers, because everybody could stay at home. But this year I missed my brother, yeah, elder brother. He is our elder brother. He could not stay present during this day. But we talk. We I and my sister talked with him through video call. Uh, and we really enjoy. Uh, and this day is really very well day on to everyone. And everybody enjoy this day. And it's a really very special day to all brothers and sisters. And everybody like this day. um, and I spent this puja vacation like that with my family members, friends, with everyone. And I spent really very well with everyone my puja vacation.